In the last chapter, we ended by creating a new image style for the image on our guide pages. We changed the uploaded image to be a certain size, 250 pixels wide, and to desaturate it or turn it into black and white. Now we need to move it so that it appears in the right-hand corner of the content and allows content to wrap around it. If you're familiar with CSS, then you understand that the way to do this is by floating that image to the right. And we begin that floating process by positioning the image at the very beginning of the content. This first part, the positioning of the image at the beginning of the content, can be done by simply reordering the display of our fields. So let's go ahead and do that first. I'm going to go ahead and go to Structure in the admin bar. I'm going to click on Content Types. And then next to Guide, I'm going to go ahead and click on Manage Display. So here we can reorder our fields here. And what we want to do is take our image and put it at the very top so that it displays before any other field. And then we just click Save. And if we want to preview how this looks, we can go ahead and close the overlay. Okay, now this has moved the image to the very top. So now we need to add some CSS to our page in order to float the content right.